We're going to go through some commands for basically working as a super user and then do storage and finding. So what is a super user? It's a root user on Windows. It might be called the administrator. Basically, it is the user that has complete access to the machine. You've done sudo a bunch of times. It's basically super user do. And the concept is you usually don't want to be the super user, all the time. You don't want to run as root. You just want to do it for a few commands. So here's a canonical kind of example where you're installing some software, basically the Git software. Here's an example where you actually need to become the root user. Sometimes you do this when you've got a bunch of commands to type in a row as the super user, but usually you don't want to do this. If you go through this example, you will see that the permissions on the root file, that is to say the file that was created while you were in SU mode, are going to be different than those of the normal file. Basically, the owner will be changed. It'll be a root rather than, or the super user rather than a normal user. So that's kind of, super user.